Hello everyone. Today we will discuss on National Stock Exchange and over the counter exchange of India. So in this video we will discuss about NSE and OTCEI. So let's start with the National Stock Exchange. It was incorporated in 1992. It was a recognized stock exchange done by the SEBI in April 1993. So, NSE started its operations in wholesale debt market in June 1994 and in capital market segment in November 1994. Technically, listed securities are called scrips. Trading in equity has been started in capital market segment in November 1994, whereas in wholesale debt market it started in June 1994. NSE has set up nationwide fully automatic screen-based trading system. Its headquarters is in Mumbai and it offers a very good platform to raise capital to the companies. It also provides investors with the access to asset class like equities, debt and derivatives as well as mutual fund units and currencies. So on the stock exchange, on the National Stock Exchange, you can deal with the equities, debentures, derivatives, currencies and mutual fund units. And it works in two segments, wholesale debt market and capital market segment. National Stock Exchange allows new listing through IPO, debt issuance and Indian depository receipts by the overseas company who want to raise capital in India. NSE offers trading, clearing and settlement services. NSE has successfully fulfilled these functions by establishing first electronic stock exchange of India. NSE was instrumental in creating National Securities Depository Limited. This is the first depository in India which allows the investors to hold and trade the securities electronically. So, with the help of NSDL, we can hold and trade our securities electronically. So, there are different objectives of National Stock Exchange to provide a fair, transparent and efficient securities market to the investors using electronic trading system, to establish nationwide trading facilities for equities and debt instruments. It also ensures equal access to investors all over the country through communication network. It improves the standard of securities market to the international level. So NSE plays very important role in improving the standard of securities market to the international level. It also shortens the cycle and book entry settlements. National Stock Exchange is the India's largest stock exchange and is second largest in the world by volume. Its benchmark index is Nifty 50, means the index is prepared from the top 50 companies of the different sectors company. So, this is all about NSE. Now, we will study about the over-the-counter exchange of India. It is called OTCEI. It is an Indian electronic stock exchange composed of small and mid-cap companies. The purpose of OTCEI is to provide the platform to raise the capital for the small companies, because small companies cannot do or cannot raise the capital at the national exchanges due to any type of inability to meet the exchange requirements. So the ODCEI implement specific capitalization rule that make it suited for the small to medium sized companies while preventing larger companies from being listed. The key players in OTCEI includes broker, market makers, custodians and transfer agents. The OTCI is based in Mumbai and operates solely over the computer network. The exchange is recognized by the India's Securities Contract Regulation Act, means all listed stock on the OTCEI benefit equally as other listed securities on the other exchanges in India. It is the unique exchange in India as well as being a growth catalyst for the small to medium sized companies. So, what are the different features of OTCEI? First of all, there is a stock restriction. Stocks that are listed on other stock exchanges will not be listed on OTCI, and stock that are listed on OTCI will not be listed on other exchanges. Minimum capital requirement is rupees 30 lakhs. Larger company restrictions are the companies with the issued equity capital of more than 25 crore rupees are not allowed to be listed. Member must maintain a base capital of rupees 4 lakh to continue to be listed on the exchange. The last point is use of the modern technology. OTCEI is electronically operated stock exchange. They do not have any special counter. So they use the latest technology. So these are the important features of OTCEI. Now we will study about the major players and constituents of over-the-counter exchange of India. First, sponsors who used to screen the company and the projects to check their eligibility. Central Clearing Bank used to clear the bank transactions. Market makers offer two-way codes, one for the buying and other for the selling. Dealers and members include brokers who used to buy and sell on the behalf of the investor who buys and sells the securities. Custodian and registrar used to maintain the register of members, keep the record of the signature, and kept everything in the custody. Government and SEBI. These are the regulatory bodies. Settler who used to keep the record and monitor, check and verify the counter receipts. So these are the important players of the stock exchange. Now we will study the buying process in the OTCI. Whenever you want to buy the scrip, you have to make the payment through the check. After that, you will receive the temporary CR. In this CR, you have to return it when your check will get clear. And after that, you have to collect the final CR. So, this is the method of buying. Similarly, when you sell any scrip, then you used to give CR and TD to the counter. You will receive the SCS and then you will return the CR and TD, and after that you will collect the check. So in this way you sell the scrip. So this is the method of buying and selling. Thank you for today. I hope आप सबको समझ में आया होगा. And if you have any query, you can comment me. Thank you.